Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here. As always, if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as well. So today's video is going to be all about this hair right now. Like, are you feeling this verve right now? Yeah, everything that is going on right here, I am so in love with it. So you guys, this hair was sent to me by Niseyo Hair Amazon. They sent me 8 packs of the 12-inch butterfly locks. Like, you guys, this is handmade, 100% handmade. You guys, like, you do not have to pass through the stress of wrapping and try to do the thumb up method and all of that. So yeah, I used 7 packs of hair, you guys. That was because I wanted to go extra, and I was going for like a big head look, and I achieved what I was going for. So I'm going to be leaving all the details about this hair on the description box, so definitely make sure you click on the description to know more about this hair, you guys. But for me, I am so super excited about this hair right now, and I love my hair. I love my hair. All right, so without talking much, you guys, let's get right into this video. So as So now that we're done installing the hair, this is how it looks like. It looks so natural, you guys. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take this my olive oil hair spray to spray my hair, after which I'm going to be using the Got2b edge control styling gel to style my edges. And that is literally all for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next and what you think about this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'll see you all. Always stay beautiful, and I love you guys. Bye.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I